Hi, this video is to show you how to log into and access your dialer for your justphone Euro calling account. And the first thing to note is on the login page, the username must end in star justphone BV, as you can see. And entering the password will allow us to log into the dialer. And the first thing you see is the dial pad, which allows you to make international calls straight away. Remember that to make international calls, you have to use the full international dialing code. So, for example, a call to the UK would start 0044, etc., etc. Also, if you look at the bottom of the screen, you can see the person icon. And if you select that, you'll see that already you have all your contacts from your phone pre-selected, and you can call them directly also using this service. The next thing to appreciate is the balance, which is held in euros. On the top right, you can see we have 10 euros. And on the left, you have the main menu, which is 3 bars. If you select that, you can see you have various other features to look at. Now, going back to the home menu, the important thing to remember here, again, as I said, is you can make your internet calls. You have to use the international dial code to do so. And to exit, you go to the main menu at the top again on the left and log out. And if you want to log out completely, you have the top